Hello guys, welcome to Adventures RC. I have a very short update. I used before this 390 motor, and as you can see in the video, the motor was burned. I can't even turn it. The brushes inside broke. Luckily the boat returned to the shore before it broke, so I put another one which is exactly the same. 390 is the last one I have. I bought 4, and I realized that the alignment with the shaft wasn't perfect, and that probably was one of the reasons the motor overheated. So now I have, with my watt meter, to test it, I just put as straight as possible, and this is what it looked like. I will bring my 2 channel, and here I go, slow first. 0.5 amps. Okay, that was noisy. Wow, my ears are hurting. So yes, it's a noisy. Let's check the watt meter. Is saying 5 amps and 41 watts and 5 amps for the highest. Yes, 5.2 amps. So it's draining still a lot of amps. We will see when I put in the lake what's going to happen. Originally these motors are the old ones. They are for this is broken. They are for nickel cadmium batteries. They are 7.2 volts motor. So when you put with these 8 volts and so many amps, they tend to burn. But I will give it a try. And if it doesn't work, I have to update probably a brushless motor or a 540 until I find the right motor for this. So stay tuned. I will keep you updated. I probably will go to the lake in a couple of days. Today, don't worry, this is nothing. I was cooking and I touched the border of the pan and I kind of cook my finger. Well, I'm okay. This is just for protection. But everything is fine here. So when you cook, be careful. Maybe it's better I don't cook anymore. So stay tuned, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.